Well, hello, my little rays of sunshine. Today I'm going to read a book about bears. It is called Bear Snores On, and it is by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. I'm going to open it up so you can see the whole book, front and back. Can you see it? Front and back. Look at all those animals looking at him. And we have this page, Bear Snores On. Oh, wait till you see this page. One of my favorites, snow. So what time of year is it for this story? Yeah, it's probably winter. Yeah, what do bears do in the winter? They sleep, so I guess bears snore. Do you think they snore? Does your dog snore? Mine does. Here we go. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Do you see him in there sleeping? Looks like he's trying to get cozy in that page. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. See it? Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. Now what does he light? You see the fire in that cave? How do you think it's going to make the cave feel? The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Ooh, look at his claws. Wow, bears have big, long claws. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare. "Long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. Do you see him sleeping? A badger scuttles by, sniff snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." Do you see something behind me? I feel like someone's behind me. And they nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear sleeps, snores on. What is that? What is that? My goodness, I thought I heard someone snoring. I am really getting a good imagination for this story. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. What is going on? You see the picture? This book was a request. Someone wanted me to read this book. They twit and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. I feel like I hear a bear snoring. Do you hear a bear snoring?
No!
Hare stokes the fire. Mouse seasons the stew. Then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. Uh-oh, what's the pepper going to make the bear do? What does pepper make you do? Kind of itches your nose and you go, "Achoo!" He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. Uh-oh. Do you think Bear's going to wake up? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls. Bear roars and rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and grumbles. You hear that? Wow, we have good imaginations for this story today. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping. I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans, he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look and see. We can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Oh, I think that's making the bear happy. Oh, look at the bear's face. Look at it. Is he happy? Bear gulps, bear gobbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep. Look at, he's even holding his own little teddy bear. Isn't that fun? Look at everybody else. Do you think they might be getting tired? But his friends snore on. And that is our story today. Ooh, there's that winter picture that I love called Bear Snores On. Well, I hope you have a good day. I hope you shine today and every day. I know you will. Hope to see you soon.